Hi everyone, welcome to another make and take craft. This week I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas ornament. All you need is this kit from the library and a glue stick. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to try to make a Christmas tree using these little hearts. And one of the best ways to kind of plan out what you want to do is to lay them out before you glue them on. So to make a nice big Christmas tree, you want to lay 4 hearts down, sort of overlapping for the base of the tree. And then, kind of like you're making a pyramid, you're going to add 3 more hearts as your next row. So I have the 4 hearts, then I have the 3 hearts. They're all overlapping, that's okay. And then next, you're going to have the 2 hearts. And then finally, for the top of your tree, just that 1 heart at the very top. Okay, see how it looks like a Christmas tree? It's a little over the sides, that's okay. If you want, you can make smaller trees, doing maybe 2 and 1 around your CD. It's really up to you. I like this big tree, so we're going to do this. So once you kind of have it planned out and you know how many you're going to need, you can take them off and start gluing them down. If you have tweezers for the little pieces and mom and dad say they're okay for you to use, you can use them. But otherwise, just a glue stick for these. You might get a little sticky, but that's okay. So I'm going to kind of put my first one off the edge there. And then my second one. You want to add as much glue as you can and kind of overlap so you have a nice space to put the one on top of it. So it's going to go like that. But I would say do 1 row at a time. And now my last heart is going to sit right there on the top to be the top of my tree. Oop, my glue stick got away from me. Okay. And there is my tree. Now, in your packet, you're going to have a lot of different kinds of things. There are other solid trees that you can put out, so you can kind of put those all over your tree if you'd like. It'll depend. You could decorate both sides if you wanted to. I'm just going to do this side today. So you're going to get little stars in your packets like these. So I don't know if you can see that tiny little star. You can put that at the very, very top of your tree if you want. You can put it as an ornament. You can use the sequins as ornaments. There are also little bird, like little cardinal cutouts, so you can have those all over. And there are snowflakes. So really, this is kind of up to you. There's some solid ornament kind of things or lights if you'd like. So these are all really up to you. So I'm just going to decorate around my tree a little bit. You can do whatever you like, but I'm just going to show you. There's a snowflake. I think we're going to put a bird in the tree. Come on, you. All right, birdie. You're going to go right there. Let's do a star. I'll put the glue on this. And then we'll put the star on the very top. Okay. And then, because these sequins are really pretty, oops. We're going to put some down. Okay. And when you've done decorating your tree, so you like how it looks, you're going to take the ribbon that comes in the packets with you and the glue dot. So these are tricky, and you're going to flip your ornament over, and you want to put your glue dot sort of at the top. So try to remember where the top of your tree is so it doesn't hang silly. And then you want to peel the glue dot off the plastic. Now these can be really, really tricky. You might need help. If mom or dad have a glue gun and they're able to help you, you could use that instead. But please be careful with that. You might need help peeling this off. Again, not perfect, don't worry about it. So you peel it off as best you can and you stick it on the top, okay? You want to try to get it as wide as possible. And then you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to make a loop. And these aren't going to connect, because what we want to do is we want one half to be on one side of the glue dot, and when we want the other half to be on the other side of the glue dot. Then you're going to give it a nice push to stay down, and your ornament has a nice ribbon to hang on the tree. So these are available at the library. You can make both sides. You could decorate this side as well, maybe put something on top of this so you can't see it. It's up to you. It's your craft. So stop by the library to pick these up, or you can give us a call and we'll bring them out to you curbside. And we will see you all next year. Have a very happy holiday, and we'll see you later. Bye.